Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you traders out there: how to connect Webull to MetaTrader 5 in 2025. If you're looking to streamline your trading setup, this tutorial is a game changer. By linking these two platforms, you can access real-time data, execute trades more efficiently, and analyze markets like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both apps installed and updated to their latest 2025 versions. Webull is your go-to for brokerage services, and MetaTrader 5 is the powerhouse for advanced charting and automation. Start by opening the Webull app on your device and logging in with your account credentials. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu. Look for the API Connections or Integrations section, which has been upgraded in 2025 for easier pairing. Next, in MetaTrader 5, go to the Tools tab and select Options. Here, you'll find a new Broker Connections feature. Enter your Webull API key, which you can generate from the Webull settings we just mentioned. Don't worry if you're new to this, it's straightforward. Just follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This step might require two-factor authentication for security, so have that ready. After that, sync your data by clicking the Refresh button in MetaTrader 5. You'll see your Webull portfolio, including stocks, options, and even crypto balances, pop up in real time. Pro tip: if you run into errors, double-check your internet connection or restart both apps. The 2025 updates have made this process smoother, but glitches can still happen. Once connected, you can start using MetaTrader's expert advisors with Webull's data for automated trading strategies. It's that simple. This setup will save you time and help you make smarter decisions in the fast-paced world of trading. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!